Now just make sure it's running. Yep, it's running. Good. I'll put this on my head. We're going to do the head shot here. All right. I need my pillow because the dirty old paw prints are on my... You put your old paw prints on my my bench, didn't you? Yes, you did. Yes, you did. What? You ready? Here's yours. Here's yours. Here's yours. And yours. And yours. Another one here. And another one here. Here. Yes, I know. Don't worry. You're going to get yours. Here we go. Look at that. Little babies. Well, I'll put the pillow down there so it won't get all dirty. I just come back from the Thistle. I was in for a steak dinner. Rob was cooking. And Amanda was on the till. There you go. And Brianna was checking the door. All right, just a minute, guys. Here. You guys want delivery. The both of you. Yeah, do you want delivery? All right. Anyway, when I was coming up here, oh, just another one. Here's another one. Here you go. When I was coming up the road, there was 6 of them in my neighbor's yard next door. And I rolled the window down. I said, hey guys, I'm home. And they turned around and they all start heading back to my place. And here they are. And here they are. And guess what? It rained for 2 days and I thought I was going to have to build Noah's Ark. It got so bad. Here. You want here? Oh, you're coming over? Okay. Here you go. I thought I was going to build Noah's Ark. I mean, we got so much water and I got the bench under the roof here. Oh, you want another one? Just a minute. Feed this fella. Okay, you ready? Ready? There you go, bud. Yeah. Yes, I'm coming. I hear you. Here you go. Oh, wait here. Here you go. I'm sick of this rain. And it's going to rain all week. There, I got muddy paw prints on my jeans. Yes, I do. Who done that? You fellas. Yes, you did. Look at your tail is soaked. Huh? Your tail is soaked. Yeah. You ready for another one? We got a good crowd here tonight. And they're hungry. They're hungry, hungry hippos. Yep. You ready for another one? Here you go. Oh, delivery. Someone delivery. Here we go. With the wind and everything, the rain is right up on the whole deck. Even the seat was wet. There you go. There you go. Another one for you. So look, we're out. We're out. So I gotta get more. We have to get more. We have to get more. Yes. Hi, Connor. Hello, Connor Cat. That door got knocked open. There's 3 pounds there. We'll go through 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 more. And we just slice them here. I'm giving them out whole. Not going to fool around tonight. It's too cold out there. Anyway, the steak was very good at the Cecil. They cook it the way I want it, and I don't want salt on my fries. So they do that. They do whatever I ask them. So, and D, if you happen to be seeing this video, I had your water bottle there tonight, and Amanda's got it. So she put it aside for you. Dee is the cook. She wasn't there tonight. Hi, Charlotte. Mr. Connor. All right, out we go again. Look at them all waiting, look. Oh yeah, thanks a lot. Put my pillow on the ground. Yes. What a rig you guys are. Here. Well, I guess I'm not going to sit down, thanks to you fellas. Here. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. You guys were next door. Oh, I can feel the rain coming in this part. You guys were next door. Look at that mud all over my bench. Well, so much for that. I'll throw that down there. I've never seen it come in this far. Like, how's everybody doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The raccoons. Look at them. Look at the raccoons. Here. Here you go. Everybody's happy. Everybody's happy. Yes, you are. You ready? Yeah. I never got around to putting the carpet into the... yeah, it's blowing right in on here. I didn't put the carpet in the igloo yet. I don't know how that's going to work out. I don't think I'll put it out. I think I'll just leave it down in the basement, and maybe Connor and Charlotte might use it. Yeah. You ready? Come get. Here. You want one delivered? Do you want delivery? Huh? You want delivery? Here. Here you go. Here you go. Oh, the one running down there. Here, I hit him with that one. There, he was running down the lawn. I got him with that one. Here you go. Another one there. And another one here. Another one there. Don't worry. You're all going to get one. Everybody's going to get one. These guys are ready to take off now. It's cold out. Yeah, it's only 5 degrees, 40. Yeah. I'll throw another one up here for him. Here you go. You get an extra one. There's another one down on the lawn. Did you get it? Huh? You gonna go get it? God, the rain's coming right in. It's coming right in. Did he find it? There's 2 down on the lawn. Oh, there's 3. Well, anyway, they're all getting fed. Here, an extra one for you. There you go. Extra for you. More here. There. I'll put some dry out. I'll have to put it I'll have to put the dry right up close. I think I'll put that in a, I think I'll put that on a container. Yeah. What you doing? What you doing? Huh? Yeah, I'll put that on a flat container and they can eat it off that. I don't want them eating it off that wet old wood. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What? What? Connor cat, I know you're hungry. My hands are froze. Oh, my hands are frozen. Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Charlotte. Charlotte. What you doing? Who picked this fella up here? Oh my goodness. There's a Connor cat. There's a Connor cat. Yes, he was. There's a Connor cat. You good baby? Who's a good baby? Who's a good baby? What? You hungry? Are you hungry? So I'm going to put the dry food on this thing here. And that one's empty. I think we'll have to open up the other one. And put some, yeah, that's enough there. And we'll add some peanuts to it. Yeah. There, I got a bag of peanuts. We'll put that on there. Ooh, there. Now we got to cut this. That ain't going to open. We'll cut the bag. There. And just tip it up like that. Put this over. Put half and half. There. I'll just set that out. And they can eat off of that. They don't have to eat off that dirty old floor. You guys got all the, oh, you got the hot dogs going, have you? Well, look what I got. You want some more hot dogs? Can you eat off that? Huh? You want some more hot dogs? Okay, just a minute. I'm gonna make a trip anyway tomorrow for hot dogs, so there, throw that out. More hot dogs. More hot dogs. Yeah. I'll give him 2 more pounds. What? I'm getting to you after. Raccoons are first. And I'll feed you guys next. Alright? I couldn't get over them guys. They were next door, and when I rolled the window down, I hollered at them. I said, I'm heading home. And they turned around right back here. And they were here waiting for me. Yeah. They're not stupid. No, they're not stupid. You ready? You ready, Freddy? Here we go. Here. You want a hot dog? Here's your hot dog. Here's yours. You want one? Here you go. You want one? You want delivery? Delivery? Here you go. Oh, you ate the extra one. Here, I'll give you another one. Look, here. Here you go. You want an extra one up there? Here you go. Here, we'll put another one up here. Just in case he goes back. Here you go. That's good. Who's that down there? Oh, that's Woody. You want one? Here. What'd he run for? Where are you? He took off. Wild one. I can't see with the light shining in my eyes. No, I can't see him. Oh, wait, here he is. There. I threw 2 out to him. Next one for you. Another one for you under there. We got another pound here. Sobe's got them on this week. Don't worry, there's lots of hot dogs. Here you go. There you go. Everybody's happy. There, I'll turn off this light. There. Everybody's fed. You get in there. You get in there, Connor Cat. Connor Cat. There. Okay. All right. Kick my shoes off. Am I still on? Yes, I am. Here we go. There. Here I am. No mustache. I couldn't stand it anymore, so I'm not one to have hair on my face. And there's Charlotte, the little girl. The little girl. Mr. Connor. Connor Cat. What? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay, I'll just put this on for a second. And I'll show you what we got to do for these fellas. We'll put that out. And here we go. Wet. Wet cat food. And she wants hers. There you go. Here you go. There. And I'll put the lid back on that, keep it fresh. So, there they are. Everybody's fed except me. No, I had a nice lunch at the Thistle. They're closed on Monday. So anyway, Amanda was on tonight. She's the one of the ones that took to Halifax on Saturday for the concert. And Rob was doing the kitchen, and he does a real good job. What did he tell me tonight? I do perfect job on the steaks. Perfect. He does do a good. He is a good cook. And Brianna was on the door, and she was checking people for their make sure they had inoculations and their ID, and you can't get into a restaurant today without doing that. So anyway, I think I don't know if Rob's on tomorrow or not. It's I told him I'd give a raccoon for his son, so he's only 5. Anyway, I guess we'll just shut down here, and this is done with the GoPro, and we're going to call our night. Look at these fellows are still at it. So that tray will be completely finished. You're still eating. Oh, what are you eating? We're eating peanuts. He says, I don't mind if I do. Those peanuts are unsalted. Oh, he found a hot dog. He's all set. Away they go. So, anyway, no shortage of raccoons tonight. Okay, people, we will see you tomorrow night, I guess. So, shutting down right now. Good night, all.